In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up agent branding on Zillow Showcase 2026 guide. Zillow Showcase is a premium listing experience built to put your brand front and center. When you connect it to your professional Zillow profile, every high intent buyer who opens your immersive listing immediately sees your headshot, your bio, and verified reviews. Let's walk through how to set this up the right way. Start by creating your Showcase profile at zillowshowcase.com. On your first login, you'll be prompted to build your agent identity. Complete every field, your full name, up-to-date contact information, and links to your professional social profiles. Then craft a bio that's professional but personable. In 3 to 5 clear sentences, explain your local expertise, the kind of clients you serve, and the marketing strategy sellers can expect. Keep the tone confident and specific, and avoid industry jargon so buyers and sellers can connect with you quickly. Next, add a consistent professional headshot. Choose a high-quality, well-lit image with a clean background and your face centered. Use that same photo across your Zillow Showcase, your Premier agent profile, and even your print materials. Consistency builds recognition as clients browse across platforms. Double check how the photo crops on mobile so your eyes and smile are visible without awkward trimming. Now connect Showcase to your Zillow agent profile. At the top of your Showcase dashboard, use the toggle to connect to your Zillow agent profile. This link automatically syncs your star ratings and customer reviews so they display right on your Showcase listings. That instant social proof helps buyers trust your service history without leaving the page. If you update a review or add new ones on your Zillow profile later, the sync will keep your Showcase current. If you don't have a Zillow professional profile yet, head to Zillow.com, click Find an Agent, and search for yourself. If you don't appear, select the profile icon to create an account and be sure to check I am a landlord or real estate professional during setup. That unlocks credentials, sales history, and agent-specific branding. Complete the prompts, then return to Showcase and make the connection. For advanced setup and marketing materials, visit the Zillow Showcase resource page on Beach Minute. Download how-to guides, short tutorials, and client-facing assets you can use in listing presentations. And if you need help, reach out to Zillow's agent care team or your growth advisor for personalized support. Polishing your Showcase branding only takes a few minutes, and it ensures you stand out in a crowded market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.